Welcome to Crazy Auto Premiere, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2022 Volvo XC90 Recharged T8 Extended Range, a vehicle that's redefining the electric SUV landscape. Let's start by discussing the vehicle type. The XC90 Recharge is a front-engine, rear-motor, all-wheel drive, 7-passenger, 4-door wagon, making it a versatile and spacious choice for families and adventurers alike. Now, let's talk price. The base model starts at $66,895, while the fully loaded version, as tested, can reach up to $84,090. However, with various options and packages available, you can tailor the XC90 Recharge to suit your preferences and budget. Moving on to powertrain. The XC90 Recharge is equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine paired with an AC motor, delivering a combined output of 455 horsepower and 523 pounds-ft of torque. With its 14.9 kWh lithium-ion battery pack and 3.7 kW onboard charger, this SUV offers impressive performance and efficiency. Let's take a closer look at the chassis. The XC90 Recharge features a sophisticated suspension system with control arms up front and a multilink setup in the rear, paired with 14.4-inch vented disc brakes in the front and 13.4-inch vented disc brakes in the rear. This SUV offers a balanced and responsive driving experience. When it comes to dimensions, the XC90 Recharge is both spacious and practical, with a wheelbase of 117.5 inches. Length of 195.0 inches, width of 75.7 inches, and height of 69.9 inches. It offers ample room for passengers and cargo alike. Now, let's talk performance. In testing, the XC90 Recharge accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, showcasing its impressive power and agility. With a top speed of 115 miles per hour and a road-holding capability of 0.81 grams on a 300 ft skid pad, this SUV delivers an exhilarating driving experience. But performance isn't the only impressive aspect of the XC90 Recharge. In terms of fuel economy, it achieved an observed 29 mpge, with a combined gasoline plus electricity rating of 66 mpge. With an EPA-rated EV range of 36 miles, you can enjoy long journeys with confidence while minimizing your environmental footprint.